Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix too many attempts on PrizePicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if you are facing this issue when you are trying to deposit on PrizePicks, it's likely due to the platform security measures to prevent fraudulent activity. So what you can do is wait and try again. PrizePicks may temporarily lock your account for a short period, usually it's 1 to 2 hours, to prevent excessive attempts. Try waiting and attempting to deposit funds again after the lock has been lifted. Second is use a different payment method. If you are using a debit card, try switching to bank account or another accepted payment method. This may help resolve the issue. Number third is check your account limits. PrizePicks sets deposit limits for members to promote responsible gaming. You can lower your limits by accessing the responsible gaming tab in your app. However, you cannot raise them yourselves if you've reached your limit. You will need to wait until the next day or use a different payment method. Number 4 is contact PrizePicks support. Reach out to PrizePicks live support via chat or email, and they will assist you in resolving the issue and may temporarily lift the lock. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.